Hey folks, so I haven't posted for a while. I've had some health issues that have prevented me from getting out, and also after the High Desert Roundup run, Mary's back is really getting bad, and it's hard for her to get up and down out of that overhead camper in the Lance truck camper, overhead bed. Add to that a goofy dog who takes up half the floor space in the camper and won't get out of your way. We just decided to look for something that would allow us to walk back and lay down on a bed, and also give the dog room to lay down and still have us be able to get around him. We ended up buying this used 2008 Neptune. It's a diesel pusher. It's 36 feet long. It's got the towing capacity I need. The primary issue for me was towing capacity. My Jeep on a trailer is 7,000 pounds. Most of the smaller motorhomes have a 5,000 pound limit. And I could probably tow more, but I don't want to. I don't want to push it beyond what its rated capacity is. Cleaned this guy up, and this guy is for sale. It's a 2011 Lance 950S. It's got a dinette slide out. The nice thing about this thing is it was short enough, and the truck's four-wheel drive, and I could go pretty much anywhere in the thing, and we did. We took it a lot of places. But it's just not working for us anymore, and so we're going to have to change our camping habits a little bit, which you're going to see in the next video. The other thing I've been working on is this whole backyard used to be just a flat slab of dirt. I wanted some place where we could kind of hang out and invite friends over, and kind of like our old place. We had a hangout in the backyard. So I put in this paver patio. I built this shade covering. Took me a couple of weeks to do that. Got some tables back here. And that took up a bunch of my time, which is another reason you haven't seen videos since the start of June. So we went up to Williams today, checked out some places where we can go camping, got some good video for that. We're gonna go do some more runs coming up. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy what's coming up.